at yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle. Today I'm showing you the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. This palette is $20 and you get 7 mattes and 5 shimmers. The shimmers are beautiful. The mattes, well, as you can see, they're not that pigmented. They're crumbly and they were hard to blend. So I've used this palette a few times now and I'm not gonna lie, I really struggled with it. But I'm going to show you the look I created, which was the best look out of like 6. And we'll talk a little bit more about it in the rest of the video. So I'm starting off with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. I'm using a brush first and then my beauty blender. So we get nice precise lines. I'm going to put down some tape. The names in this palette are a little bit hard to say, so I'm not even going to try. I'm starting out with the yellow first. Now the yellow for me was the most difficult to blend, to build up, just everything. But I do like how when I added the green, it just blended really nice. Next, I'm going to go in with this blue. I love how this blue looks in this look when I'm using this type of brush. The first time I used it, the blue, it was with a blending brush and it was a mess. But this I could deal with. Now I'm going back in with LA Girl Cool Tan again just to clean up the shape I want. I was going for a specific shape. I don't really know how to describe it, but I'm just cleaning it up until it looks how I want it to look. Now I'm using Cool Tan again, and that's the only concealer I used throughout the whole look. I'm cleaning up, well no, I'm cutting my crease so that I can lay down the shimmers, which are so beautiful. So let's talk about this palette really quick. I love Juvia's Place because they're Black owned. They make high quality, affordable products for everyone. I've never experienced a crappy palette, but this one is probably the crappy one. So I'm gonna go in first with this blue. It's so pretty. All the shimmers are very, very pigmented. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame. I'm gonna move on to the gold and then the green. But this palette is definitely not my favorite. So now I'm going to cut out a wing using the same concealer, and then I'm going to repeat the shadows, the matte shadows on top onto the wing. But yeah, the mattes in this palette are slacking. I've never experienced this before with Juvia's Place, so I just tried to make it work. But if you don't have this palette and you were thinking about getting it, I feel like you could definitely sit it out and wait for whatever they do next. The best way I could pack these shadows on to make them look pigmented was to like crumble up the shadow, and I'll show you how I did that. I just crumbled it up and then packed it on. That's the only way it would be pigmented. A lot of this video I noticed I'm not in the frame very well, so I do apologize for that. But yeah, I'm just doing everything I did on the top. Then I'm just going to finish up the look with mascara, lashes, and I'll put everything I use in the description box if you're interested. This is the look I created using the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. I have struggled so much with this palette. I've done so many videos and this is the first one that was good enough to post, and I've had it since it came out. So I can say I'm not that big of a fan of this palette, but it doesn't matter. They make really good quality products and it is what it is. Next time I'm sure will be like the last times. Hope you guys like this video. Leave me a thumbs up if you do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with all of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.